I wake up every morning, heart racing, mind in a daze. Thoughts spiral around me, feeling lost in a maze. Shadows creeping closer, can't escape from the fight. Anxiety's a killer, stealing breath from the night. Can't keep holding on, it's tearing me apart. Anxiety kills, but I'm ready to fight. Gonna rise from the ashes, break out of the night. I'm reclaiming my power, taking back what I lost. This battle's unending, but I'll bear any cost. Racing thoughts collide like a storm in my brain. Whispers of self-doubt driving me insane. Each breath feels heavier, can't seem to break free. Living on the edge, just hoping to find me. But I won't back down, though it's hard to stand tall. I'm learning to you and telling even monster, pushing you with oblivion. I don't should retire, I'm never to heal. Anxiety's a monster, but it's me who'll prevail.